Day 3 of our word study. We are looking at dis and miss. Review. Look at the cards in your baggie or your bag or wherever you're keeping them. The first card is dis, D-I-S, which means not or the absence of. And the example words, we have disappear and dishonest, not appear and not honest. The second card we have is miss, M-I-S, and it means bad or wrong. Mishap means that something went bad. Misprinted, it was printed wrong. In this picture, Elsa is distraught because her sister is frozen. Distraught. Look at the word distraught and see if we can figure out the meaning by breaking the word apart. Dis, D-I-S, is the prefix. Traught is the base word. Traught means no worries. Distraught means you have worries. So Elsa was worried about her sister being frozen. Look at this package. Looks like it has really gone through the ringer. Some may say this package has been mishandled. Miss meaning bad or wrong. Handled means to hold. So it has been held badly. Discharged. As soon as that leaves the screen, and I had to move the mouse, so it's going to stay there. Discharged. Dis means not or the absence of. Charged. So this guy was discharged. He was absent from the hospital. He was sent home. Read these with me. Feeling very disgusted. Disgusted. A big mistake. Distasteful, misdoing. Underline those words and see if you can decode them and figure out the meaning of those words and what these small sayings mean. Read these sentences with me. Please dispose the misprints. The display the displays were misleading. I dislike being misunderstood. I want you to practice on your own. On a piece of paper, copy these sentences. Underline the words that have dis and miss, and then decode them to figure out the meaning and see if it will help you better understand what the sentences are saying. Now let's look at some pictures and see if we can try and figure out what miss or dis word is being portrayed in the picture. Here, Cinderella's stepsisters are ripping her dress apart, tearing off the beads and the sashes and the material. What would you say they are doing to Cinderella? Cinderella was mistreated by her stepmother and stepsisters. Cinderella was mistreated by her stepmother and stepsisters. Write the word mistreated on a piece of paper. mistreated. Circle the beginning prefix mis, and see if you can decode the rest of the word. Let's look at another picture. Ooh, that looks creepy. What word do you think they are wanting you to? Distrust. Distrust. This guy is peeking out the window because he does not trust whatever he's looking at. He distrusts it. Frank looked out his window with his eyes full of distrust. You're fired! Dismissed. Dismissed. Dis is the prefix. Missed means you let go. Carter had to be dismissed from his job. Look at the $5 bill. It is misprinted. Misprinted. On this slide, you will type the sentence in the box, and I will have the box on there for you. And there will be a short icon for you to click on that will have the sentence dictated. But I will dictate the sentence here. Amelia Bedelia misunderstood the directions. Amelia Bedelia misunderstood the directions. On this slide, you will drag the word that to the sentence where it goes. And I may have this as a seesaw activity. And this one too.